Sunday is grocery day. Kroger has the little baby cart. How many groceries do you think you can fit in there?
I don't know. Enough.
Now I'm stuck taking this little baby cart back because we need to get more food. Bring on the big boy carts. That's more like it. Leaving Kroger with $90 worth of groceries for 1 week. Quick grocery run. Wow, say that 5 times. Quick grocery run is done. That's it. Llamas in the parking lot, just hanging out. I think they were spitting on people or something. Hi, little llamas. Not very often you go to the grocery store and you see some llamas. Got my Grillin chips. What good is a grill without a beer? We'll put some chicken on the grill. It's yummy. Yummy. Whoop. Yummy. A quick little side note. I have started a project which includes building this fence that you see behind me here and there, to turn that section of my yard into a garden. That is my project, which you guys will start seeing here soon, of me digging away and building that fence to make that enclosed so I can turn that into a place where we can grow fruits and vegetables and all that good stuff. The chicken is done. Dinner is served.